In the last 3 years, I've helped over 1,000 students pass their math courses and get results like this and this, going from F's to A's. After working with so many of them, I have figured out hacks that will help you pass your college math course fast and easy. If you're a college student and you find yourself struggling with math like college algebra or calculus, this video is for you. Whatever I'm about to show you will be really valuable, so I want you to pay attention until the end of the video. By the way, all resources and my contact will be in the description below. Let's start by talking about what nobody says. Most college students have tons of college work, classes, projects, assignments, online work, and let's not forget, an actual life to live. It becomes impossible to get through the semester while handling 5 to 8 courses, all with assignments, discussions, and deadlines. So most students end up in the exact situation you might be in right now, which is missed deadlines, ununderstood topics, low confidence in exams, and spending way too much time trying to finish assignments. The truth is, you don't have to struggle or risk failing your college algebra, calculus, or any other math class. Here are my top 3 hacks that have worked for me and thousands of students I've worked with. Implement them, and you'll start seeing results immediately. Hack 1. Use math solvers. Let's be real. The average online math course has about 30 assignments, not including tests and exams. If you're taking 5 courses, that's more than 150 assignments. That's just too much work to do and still be expected to pass. By using math solvers, you can save up to half the time spent. Plus, they are easy to use even for beginners or first-timers. And unlike AI, they're faster and always accurate. Here are my top 5 math tools for college algebra and calculus. Symbolab.com, eMathHelp.net, WolframAlpha.com, Mathway.com, Desmos.com. All of these tools are free and the links are in the description. I'll open one of them in a second and show you just how simple, easy, and fast it is to use. In this video, I am using eMathHelp.net. Search it on Google. I will solve an actual assignment question now. I just type it out and hit enter. Correct. You see how fast and easy that is. Try it on your own. Hack 2. Use the exam review. If you're late on deadlines, haven't studied, and just want to pass your course, use the exam review. I honestly wish someone had told me this earlier. This is what I advise most students I've worked with, and it works every single time. So what is the exam review section? For every final exam, professors and instructors are required to post an exam review. It's usually the last assignment before the actual test. This section usually contains the exact topics and formats that will appear on the real exam, and the exact same questions just shuffled. It's literally a cheat sheet for your final. And since most finals are worth more than half your course grade, doing the exam review is the fastest and easiest way to pass without spending hours on other assignments. I always tell my clients, skip the overdue modules and just focus on the exam review. Use the tools I gave you in Hack 1 to get it done faster. Don't overthink it. This is a shortcut. Hack 3. Use solve question and answer sites. If you're really behind and need to understand the course fast, do this. Here's the truth. Most of your homework questions are already solved. Professors aren't making new questions, they just recycle them. Here's what to use. Quizlet, Chegg, Course Hero, Brainly, JustAnswer. I won't go over how to use each one in this video. I'll save that for another video. But they are beginner friendly and can be found by just searching on Google. Some of these tools are paid, but if you want to save money, you can use group buys or account packages. You'll find those in Discord servers, Reddit, and other student forums. And if you're really interested, you can contact me directly or join my Discord. These are the top 3 hacks I wish I knew earlier. Once you start using them, you'll go from guessing to scoring A's consistently. It's the exact same system students use even in 2025 to pass math with ease. Here is a bonus. I know a lot of you watching this are here because you're genuinely stuck. You have too many assignments due at once. You have a course that's ending soon. You're a busy student with work, family, or no time. You're not confident about taking a test, or maybe you're just exhausted. You need help, and you need it fast. I completely understand. Over the past 3 years, I have been helping students in the exact same situation that you are in to pass their college course. My team and I can help you finish your college math course, and we'll guarantee a 90% plus grades while making sure you beat every deadline. I'm dropping my contact info below. Feel free to reach out anytime if you're stuck, behind, or just need someone who knows how to get it done right. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe. And don't forget, you can also join the Discord for more college math resources.